You put your left leg in, you put your left leg out, you put your left leg in and you shake it all about. You do the hokey pokey and you turn yourself around. That's what it's all about. You do the hokey pokey, you do the hokey pokey, you do the hokey pokey. That's what it's all about. Loog Nation! Hey everyone, it's Mr. Will with Loog Nation, where future guitarists start. This is my buddy Beat. Hey Beat. And today we're working on the Hokey Pokey. It's very easy. This is going to be a very fast lesson. By the way, this is a part of our series of kid songs. Easy to learn songs that you might want to play on the Loog if you have a real little. Like a little, like 4 and up. And if you're just getting started, I have a whole playlist of songs for you here on the channel. So check it out. Today, we're going to learn our A chord and our E chord. A, let's learn it. A is kind of like the Spider-Man grabbing the chord. We're going to use the two middle fingers here, and we're going to grab. See how Beat has that? I'm going to zoom in. There's my second finger on the second fret of the 3rd string, and my third finger on the 2nd fret of the 2nd string. 2, 3, there we go. And the E to change is we're lifting off here and we're dropping down our first finger on the 1st fret of the 3rd string. That's a pretty fun change to go from 1 finger to 2 fingers. A, back to E. This is something we can practice over and over again, changing from A to E to A to E, A, E, A, E. All right, now that we have our chords, let's get into the order. It starts on A, and we're going to play, you put your left leg in, you put your left leg out, you put your left leg in, and you shake it all about. You do the hokey pokey and you turn yourself around. That's what it's all about. You do the hokey pokey, you do the hokey pokey, you do the hokey pokey. That's what it's all about. So that's the order and the changes for the song. And right there, I was just doing down strums. I was doing quarter notes. And you can play with quarter notes and do exactly what I just did. Back it up. Watch this as many times as you need to get this down. All right, let's challenge ourselves with some different strums. And I'll let you choose which strum you want to play. So we could do 8th notes now. We could go. That's pretty fun. Another technique that I have is a play and stop technique. I like doing this for the hokey. You could do something like this. It feels kind of syncopated, right? We're going It'll sound like this. So we're doing one on the downbeat, another one on the upbeat, meaning syncopated. Down, up, da, up, da, up, da, up. And I'm strumming and stopping the sound. You saw that? That's that rhythm. Down, up, da, da, All right, it's time for you to choose and play along with me. Here we go. I'm gonna do quarter notes. Ready? 1, 2, ready, go. You put your left leg in, you put your left leg out, you put your left leg in, and you shake it all about. You do the hokey pokey and you turn yourself around. That's what it's all about. You do the hokey pokey, you do the hokey pokey, you do the hokey pokey. That's what it's all about. Yeah, how'd that go for you? Choose whatever strum you want. Those were just examples. And make sure you're just playing the chords in the right order. That's it. Keeping the beat, playing in the right order, having fun, doing the hokey pokey. If you enjoyed this video, please make sure to subscribe to the channel. We're here every Thursday with a new lesson. There are a variety of lessons I'm going to be posting on this channel. And if you have a song that you like and you want to learn how to play it on the Loog, then please put it in the comments below. Title that song. Let me know who the singer or the artist is or the band. I want to learn songs that you like to play or that you love, and then we're going to learn how to play it here at Loog Nation on the Loog. Sound cool? Great, do it right now. All right. Yeah, Beat, I'm excited too to do more with everyone every Thursday here at Loog Nation. We'll see you next time. Bye-bye.